Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you the VIP airplane slip, but I'm not going to show you the limo right now and the other car. I'm just going to show you the airplane today. The airplane's pretty cool. Has a VIP logo right there. And the inside has a TV, a mini computer. And right here, it has 2 jets. So, now I'm going to open this up, and here it is. Not much right here, but here has a TV, has a croissant in, whatever, like a cup. Has a mini computer to show you when you're there. Has some seats, has 1, 2, that gray, this gray thing right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seats, and there's 5, including the front of the airplane, where the driver of the airplane drives. So yeah, that's it of the airplane. But yeah, I tried to make my own airplane, but it didn't work out that well. But right here it has computer, mini computer. And yeah, I really like this set. Next time, I'm going to do a video of me showing you guys the what's it called? What's it called? Limo. And after that, I'm going to show you the mini car that tells the airplane where to go. And there's one more thing that I want to show you. Is this area, is the back area where they put all the luggage. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you next time. And yeah, please subscribe and like in the comments section below if you like my videos. And tell me in the comments what you want me to build with my Lego parts. And tell me if you want to do speed builds or something. So guys, thanks for watching.